What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got the brand new 2024 Toyota Tundra Hybrid Limited. We're going to do a little review on it, talk about the good and the bad, some changes Toyota made, and see if this is the truck for you. Let's get right into it. This truck is equipped with 20-inch alloy wheels, tailgate release bump switch. See how it comes down nice and smooth, doesn't just fling down. LED tail lights and LED headlights with daytime running lamps and manual leveling adjustment. In the interior, it comes with 14-inch Toyota audio multimedia with 9 speakers, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android compatibility. 12.3-inch combination meter. Dual zone automatic AC climate control system. Push start, smart key system of course. Driver's seat powered with lumbar support. Seats are heated and ventilated, driver and passenger. Of course, doesn't stop there. Steering wheel is heated as well. Rear passenger seat area has plenty of room for seating grown adults, and that's with the front seat reclined all the way back. As you can see, plenty of storage and seating area for any passenger. See how far the seats are reclined back? Let's talk about the mechanical and performance. iForce Max twin turbo V6, dual overhead cam 24 valve with dual VVT-I, producing a whopping 437 horsepower and 583 foot-pound of torque. 10-speed automatic transmission with sequential shift. Drive mode, select with tow haul modes, 4-wheel demand, part-time 4-wheel drive with electric control transfer case, and auto-limited slip diff. Now let's talk about the safety and convenience. Right in front of the bumper, you can see a camera right there underneath the emblem. The 2 outer mirrors also come equipped with cameras underneath them. Tailgate handle has camera as well. This truck is fully loaded. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, automatic high beam road sign assist, trailer brake control, and trailer sway control. Blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Comes with all the bells and whistles. All right, now let's lift the vehicle up, take a look underneath, see what we got here. Let's start off with the suspension system. A few changes been made. Aluminum steering knuckle. Take a look at those sway bar links. Big, massive sway bar. Aluminum tie rod ends. Nothing out of the usual. Got the active front spoiler. Right now it's closed, but that can open and close, guys. Take a look at the other side, passenger front wheel. Suspension system is awesome on this truck. At first, I was a little worried when Toyota said they were going to introduce the hybrid system into their Toyota Tundra models. But I got to say, the torque that this thing provides and the horsepower, it's got a kick to it, along with the twin turbos. I got to say, it's nice. They kept the traditional 4-piston calipers. That standard drain plug for your oil pan. Electric transfer case, part-time 4-wheel drive. It's not manual shift. Look at the size of that drive shaft, although aluminum, but you can see it's pretty thick. Rear electric parking brake. It's a nice system overall. Rear suspension is solid. The back end doesn't sway out. For the amount of torque that this thing offers and provides, man, when you step on the throttle, you really feel it. There's nothing soft about this. Now let's talk about the things that I'm not so happy about. As technicians, when we look underneath this hood, we are not happy to see this, folks. Because when you talk about maintenance, you see one air filter right here, and you see another air filter. You have 2 air filters for the twin turbo. So maintenance-wise for the customer, maybe when the truck has 60,000 miles, may not be the best. Air inverter sitting right over there. As far as maintenance-wise, that might not be the best case because this thing is buried, wires everywhere, hoses are everywhere. You really can't see anything underneath this hood. Come to bank 2, that's the bank 2 side. You don't see anything, no coils, no injectors, everything is buried. So imagine when it's time to do a spark plug on this or a valve cover gasket. See, when the manufacturer release cars and different models, that's the first thing we think of as technicians is how are we going to work on this truck? And I could tell you guys it's not easy. Oh, I found a coil right there, buried. It's going to be impossible to get to this thing. You're going to have to rip out so many things and components, wire harness, a couple hoses out of your way. Let's take a look at the other side. Normally it's only one side. Sometimes it's bad, but as you can see, bank one is not any more easier. Still covered and buried and stuff. I mean, at least the inverter is easily serviceable. You got your coolant hoses right there going in and out. Not too bad. 2 hybrid power wires coming from the battery and one going off into the transmission. At least the inverter is easy to work on. You got an extra hybrid power wire going down to your AC compressor. On the hybrid models, the AC compressor is always electric. At least they made it easy to service the auxiliary battery. Just lift up the rear passenger seat. You got this cover right here. Right when you pop it up, it's going to expose the 12-volt battery. At least they made it a lot easier to access that. And right underneath that, if you guys look in there, that's where the big battery is sitting underneath. That's your hybrid battery right there next to it. I think it's a pretty good spot too. They made it easy to remove and to release the seat. You just pull on that lever and the seat comes right back down. And there you have it, guys. The 2024 Toyota Tundra Hybrid Limited Edition. Beautiful truck, guys, inside and out. If I were to make a video on everything that this truck has to offer, you guys wouldn't watch it because it would be so long. And of course, underneath the engine bay, we're not excited as technicians to work on it because there's a lot of stuff. Hoses are everywhere. Everything's in your way. But overall, a great truck, man. Plenty of power. Can get the job done for everything you need. If you guys find this video informative, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching.